got this is a Fit S2 frame European bottom bracket, so it's really hard to find. I don't know anything about this frame other than it's 5.2 pounds and it's a 2001 model. Come a little closer. I got the Colt D-Hart grips. Got the Colt D-Hart grips.
Okay.
Sunday, I believe they're T-tall bars. Stolen convex stem. I have these are stock forks. I don't even, probably Verde or something. I got the Demolition Momentum white wall tires with Verde rims. Let's go a little down here. My headset right now is currently snapped, so until I get a new one, then I'll tell you what it's called. Show them this part too. That's fucked up. Alright, back to the bottom bracket here. Alright, I got the stolen Thermalite pedals. I used to run stolen throttle pedals, but I messed up the bearings in there because it was unsealed. These are unsealed too, but whatever you do, do not take off that cap. Don't do it. I have Verde cranks, Verde sprocket, KMC chain, Redline bottom bracket, European, like I said before. Spindles 19 millimeter. Let's see. I have a Harrow seat. Am I missing anything? I have same tires. And then here I have the Odyssey. I think they're Odyssey something pegs. I would have show them the front. I would have two on right now since I grind on my left, but I feel the need not to because it's original and I don't double peg grind. I only feeble, and when I feeble, I do it like a boss. So
Back wheel.
yeah.
Back wheel.
And I did forget this, but I have a stolen casino wheel.
Rear cassette wheel.
It's currently painted in primer.
Cassette.
Cassette wheel. It's not a free coaster because it likes to make music.
Is that it?
And that's it for now. I'll probably come back over here, dumbass. I'm probably gonna repaint this either silver, and try to get it mad shiny to somewhat chrome looking like the pegs. Probably gonna come out more like what rims look like on the car, but not chrome. And
Should I point to the car in?